Ever since the X300 Pro launched with the attachable lens, I've gotten so many questions about it. Now, I have shown you guys a bunch of sample shots from this phone and this photography kit on the last X300 series vlog. In this video though, we're just gonna focus on the X300 Pro. Good day, you beautiful people. Today is another vlog test, which means we're testing out the cameras of another phone, this time around the Vivo X300 Pro. If you're curious about how this phone performs in concert or gig scenarios, if you're curious about how flash photography on this works, or if you're curious about the general performance of the cameras on this phone, this is the video to watch. If you're new to the channel, these vlogs are when I take smartphone cameras out and about in real-life scenarios so you can see for yourself just how they perform. The burning question, I did bring this whole setup to a concert/gig. Obviously, I was very impressed with the results. I didn't even need to get up from my seat to get these shots. But the other thing I learned was even with the attachable lens, you could use different modes on this phone. You could do the CCD mode, or you can turn on stage mode on this phone. You can turn on portrait mode. It just adds more choices to your shooting. People also asked about the video capability with attached lens. And here's something that I shot and edited, again, still on my seat at this event. The Vivo X300 Pro has a 200 megapixel telephoto camera, so even without the attachable lens, the zoom cameras on this, it's already pretty good. Of course, based on my testing, I would say that the quality with attachable lens is still better. But just so you have an idea, here is the same event, but being shot with the X300 Pro zooms without the attachable lens. The other things that I absolutely loved on the X300 series that I also talked about on our previous X300 vlog test would be the CCD mode, which is basically a filter on their portrait mode, best used with flash, that gives you that 90s digicam look. I put this mode to the ultimate test by shooting a bunch of girls who absolutely wanted to look flawless at a friend's bachelorette party. And spoiler, everyone absolutely loved their photos. Now that we have those points covered, let's vlog with the actual phone. Hey, shooting with a front-facing camera of the Vivo X300 Pro right now. I love phones that have 4K front-facing video shooting capabilities. This is another one of those phones, and this is 20 millimeters. The widest you can get, you have 25, 50. Like I said, I have been shooting with this phone, and you can check out the label here for any clips that you see, and you'll see which ones are shot with a Vivo X300 Pro. But yeah, let me walk you through what we've done so far. So yesterday we checked in and we had snacks and watched the sunset. finally, we checked out the view at View Bar. So for this staycation, I am trying to shoot everything with just the phone, and so far I feel like the photos are looking very, very good shot on the X300 Pro, especially because last night when I went out to the bar, I had no makeup on and I wanted to look a little bit fresher. Pro tip is to use the CCD filter on this phone, and for some reason it just makes me look so fresh. Today has been a rainy day, as you can see, but we've still done a lot of things. We did the chocolate baterol experience, which if you're Filipino, you'd know what that is. If you're not, it's basically making our own chocolate drink. It was very, very fun. I made this. Next up, we had a packed schedule today. After that, we had a glorious lunch with a view. This is where lunch is at, and this is the view. Oh my gosh, look at this spread. Everything looks amazing, but look at this giant xiaolong bao. Oh my gosh. Can I just say the food mode on this phone really good. Oh my gosh, that's the prettiest dessert ever. Okay, wait, I'm not actually a dessert person, but this, I like this. I'm also stuffed, by the way, but we're fighting through it. Now I'm stuffed. I am back in the room. That was our vlog test for the Vivo X300 Pro. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you want more outdoor sample shots, the Vivo X300 vlog test also has a lot of photo and video samples from the Vivo X300 Pro in Shanghai. In that series, we also talked a lot about the AI photo features that the X300 series has. Those features we tried out on the X300 is also available on the X300 Pro. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else you'd want me to try out with this phone. Comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time, I'm gonna nap. Bye.